Thursday, commuters heading from Delhi to Noida found themselves in a nightmarish situation as they encountered extensive traffic congestion along the route. The gridlock stemmed from imposed restrictions at the Delhi-Noida border due to the ongoing protests by farmers who were planning a march to the parliament to assert their demands. The resultant traffic snarl left hundreds of vehicles stranded at the border during Thursday morning rush hour. Reports indicated a significant build-up of two-wheelers and four-wheelers trapped in the jam, particularly at Sarita Vihar, with heavy congestion also observed along the Delhi to Noida route. The farmer groups have called for a Kisan Mahapanchayat on Wednesday and a protest march to the parliament in the national capital on Thursday to press for their demands. However, Delhi police have denied permission for the farmers to enter the city, leading to heightened security measures at Delhi borders. Noida police have issued a traffic advisory cautioning commuters about diversions on select routes in Noida and Greater Noida. The diversions are currently in place in Dadri, Tilapata, Surajpur, Sirsa, Rampur, Fatehpur and other routes of Greater Noida. Farmer groups in Noida and Greater Noida have been protesting since December 2023 with demands for hiked compensation and developed plots against the land acquired by the local development authorities in the past. Expecting traffic chaos, the Delhi Police Commissionerate has also issued an advisory outlining restrictions on the Yamuna Expressway and Noida-Greater Noida Expressway for the smooth conduct of the farmers' protest program. The restrictions are in effect from 7 a.m. to 10:30 p.m. today. 3 years after the landmark protest on Delhi's borders, farmers are preparing for another round of demonstrations in the national capital, this time over a range of pressing issues. Two distinct protests are set to unfold, one commencing today, led by farmers from Noida and Greater Noida who have been advocating for increased compensation and the allocation of developed plots for months following the acquisition of their land by local development authorities. Their determination to march to the parliament underscores their resolve to push for their demands. Simultaneously, farmers from Haryana and Punjab are gearing up for a tractor march scheduled for Tuesday. Their demands include the enactment of legislation to ensure a minimum support price for crops, pension provisions for farmers, comprehensive crop insurance, and the dismissal of FIRs lodged against farmers during the 2020 protests. With tensions escalating, Haryana police have requested support from central forces to fortify their borders with Punjab and impede the progress of farmers' march.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.